In this video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate Social Security benefits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the most up-to-date information regarding your Social Security benefits and how to access all of this. So all that you have to do is go over to the Social Security website at ssa.gov. Before starting, I want to make it very clear that while it is possible to get a rough estimate using online calculators, including ones made by the SSA, the precise calculation of Social Security benefits is a complex process involving several factors, like your earning history, a full retirement age, and early or delayed retirement. I'm going to give you a general overview of the process, and you should be able to get this done with online tools. So on the website, you will have benefits over here at the top, and you can browse through all of the options so you can prepare, apply, manage your benefits, and so on. If you would like to calculate this, the best way to go about it is to look for the SSA Quick Calculator on Google. So look for Social Security Quick Calculator. This is once again on the official Social Security Agency government website. And as soon as you click on this, you will be able to go to fill out all of the information to see this calculator in action. So enter your birthday here. After this is done, the earnings in the current year, and you will be able to submit. You should see an estimate amount here, and all of the explanation will be available. Because there is a lot to go over, I won't be able to read all of this in this video, but it should be something that you are able to do on your own. So as you can see, you will see the retirement ages, and you can confirm your information from here. So your date of birth, the current earnings, and the benefit in today's currency or today's dollars. You will be able to fit all this information. It is easy to do. You get your results quick, and you should be able to see a general estimate. I hope I was able to help you on how to calculate Social Security benefits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.